Ethereum may post a 2.5% gain by January 8 based on 30 rates. We'll start with how things are shaping up on the chart today. According to the current data, Ethereum has moved down 0.6% today and sits around $3,219.42. Let's go straight to the analysts' views. According to CoinLore, we could be heading toward $3,198 tomorrow, a move that reflects a 0.7% decline. Ethereum might advance to $3,224, according to CoinPrice forecast, an increase near 0.1%. According to Cryptonization, it might advance toward $3,283.71, an estimated move higher of 2%. A different forecast by 30 rates expects Ethereum might head higher to $3,299, a potential gain of 2.5%. And lastly, Crypto Predictions targets $3,313.95 by tomorrow, which would mean a gain of 2.9%. This is the highest yielding forecast in this lineup. That covers 5 expert predictions for tomorrow. Now let's move on. Let's take a closer look at what each forecast could return. Looking at the forecasts side by side, the projected movement in price is between a decline of 0.7% and an increase of 2.9%, depending on the analyst. From this, we can see Crypto Predictions holding the top forecast with 2.9% gain in value by tomorrow. All in all, you could earn between $1 and $29 for every $1,000 you invest. When it comes to probability rankings, CoinPrice forecast comes out on top with an 85% chance of success. Based on all 5 forecasts, I've calculated a consensus scenario. The consensus forecast suggests Ethereum could approach $3,263.73, marking an estimated 1.4% increase. Alright, let's see what's inside. The consensus forecast is for a 1.4% increase in price. This path implies your capital might also go up by around 1.4%. For every $1,000 put in, this scenario could point to about $14 gained. So the probability of this consensus forecast being realized sits near 74.8%. To get a clearer view, let's see how analysts anticipate the next 3 days. A decline is anticipated by CoinLore, with bearish pressure in play. CoinPrice forecast notes that Ethereum may continue to trade sideways, suggesting investors should not expect big moves during this horizon. Cryptonization sees the price trending higher in the short term. An advance is likewise expected by 30 rates, reinforcing a bullish stance. The short-term signal from Crypto Predictions is also clearly bullish. By merging the individual forecasts, the consensus shows Ethereum trending upward across this short-term period. In total, 80% of analysts point to an upward direction for Ethereum. 2 days ago, 5 forecasts were made. Now we'll see how close they came. At the end of the day, the price settled at $3,296.92. 4 out of 5 analysts were correct about the trend. The most correct forecast in numbers was from CoinDataFlow. Now let's break it apart. Yesterday's span included 3 forecasts. As for ROI, several analysts ended in profit, with 30 rates showing the strongest gain at 4.5%. Here's the daily results overview. A quick visual of all forecast accuracy. And looking at the numbers, Crypto Predictions showed a forecast probability of 79.2%, an accuracy value of $174.21, and an ROI of -4.5%. Look through the table and notice which forecasts turned out most accurate. Now we're moving on to tomorrow's forecast comparison across several coins, including Ethereum. At the very top